Hello, my name is Ergo Pikas. I'm an assistant professor at the Tallinn University of Technology, and we are pilot partners in the EBENTO project. Our pilot site is in Tallinn, Estonia, and for the EBENTO we have promised to focus on one pilot, but what makes it interesting is that we have 4 similar or exactly the same types of buildings right next to each other. And now what we want to understand is that can we scale or benefit from renovating multiple buildings in close proximity in once. And in EBENTO context, we want to understand how we can actually implement EPC principles, processes and methodologies for assuring some performance in those buildings or renovation of these buildings. So from the Tallinn side, of course the university is involved and the people from the university. In addition to the university, we have direct contact with the residents of these apartment buildings, and also the technical consultant who's helping the building associations to plan, prepare the renovation projects and procure different kinds of services. But we are also closely collaborating with the potential engineering offices, design offices, and also the contractors and manufacturers of these renovation projects. Our goal for this pilot site in EBENTO project is to actually see and understand how we can implement the EPC, energy performance contracting principles, processes and methodologies for the more traditional delivery of renovation projects. EPC in a traditional sense is not possible in the residential buildings in Estonia, but we believe that the principles and processes and methodologies are something that can be implemented no matter of the contracting type. From the EBENTO, as we are preparing the one-stop shop, I believe that especially the part where the solution helps us to understand the baseline conditions of the building, energy consumption of the existing building, and the potential for energy savings is the most interesting part. From EBENTO project, I think it's this international experience and consortium of partners from different countries that actually can give us a better understanding and the background in terms of the EPCs and what are the related principles, methods and processes and methodologies. Most challenges always boil down to people. So convincing, making sure that people understand what we are trying to do, what we are trying to achieve. And I believe that despite the hurdles we have had this far, we are actually making a good progress with them. So they are becoming more and more convinced that the renovation is good for them.